Welcome to this video on the future of trading and the ongoing AI versus human trader debate. AI has brought speed and accuracy to trading, but raises ethical concerns, while human traders bring unique skills that cannot be replicated by AI. Will AI eventually replace humans in trading? Let's explore the exciting and rapidly evolving world of trading and analyze the implications for the financial industry and society. Understanding the role of human traders and how they can work alongside AI is critical to the success of trading strategies. The history of AI in trading began in the 1980s with the use of computer algorithms for investment decisions. However, early systems were limited in processing data. As technology advanced, so did AI trading capabilities, with more sophisticated algorithms in the 1990s and high-frequency trading in the early 2000s. Today, machine learning algorithms can adapt to changing market conditions. The industry has been revolutionized, and with continued technological advancements, the future looks even more promising. AI trading systems can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, allowing traders to react swiftly to changing market conditions. They also remove emotional biases from investment decisions, making them more rational. However, there are potential risks and ethical considerations associated with AI trading systems, such as data bias and lack of transparency. Despite this, their benefits are significant, making them a valuable tool for traders in today's fast-paced market. AI trading systems offer benefits such as faster and more accurate data analysis, removal of emotional biases, ability to learn and adapt, and 24/7 operation. They can track market trends in real time, make data-driven decisions, and continuously improve their performance. This allows traders to react quickly to changing market conditions, improve productivity, and operate in different time zones and markets. AI trading strategies have outperformed humans in recent years. For instance, high-frequency trading, HFT, uses algorithms to execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, outperforming human traders by a wide margin. Sentiment analysis, which uses natural language processing algorithms to determine market sentiment, outperformed humans by up to 6%. Deep learning algorithms, such as the LSTM network, can predict stock prices with high accuracy. Portfolio optimization algorithms can identify the best combination of assets for a given investment strategy, outperforming humans by up to 10%. These examples demonstrate the ability of AI trading strategies to make efficient investment decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying market trends and patterns. AI trading systems offer immense potential in the trading industry, with the ability to evolve and become even more efficient in analyzing data, predicting trends, and executing trades. Risk management and algorithmic trading are two areas where AI trading systems can make a significant impact. AI trading systems also have the potential to democratize trading and make it more accessible to a wider range of people. The development of decentralized finance, DeFi, systems is likely to have a significant impact on the future of AI trading, offering new opportunities for more efficient and profitable trading. Machine learning algorithms are a type of AI that can analyze large data sets and improve trading strategies by identifying patterns. They can help with predictive modeling, sentiment analysis, and portfolio optimization. Machine learning algorithms learn and adapt over time, resulting in more profitable trading strategies. AI in trading has potential benefits, but also raises ethical considerations and risks such as bias, lack of transparency, cybersecurity, financial instability, and job displacement. Traders and regulators should take steps to ensure responsible and ethical use of AI in trading. This includes conducting regular assessments, improving transparency and accountability, and ensuring cybersecurity measures are in place. Mitigating these risks is important to ensure responsible and ethical use of AI in trading. Human traders are important in the trading industry despite the rapid advances in AI trading. Here are some reasons why. Human intuition can identify potential opportunities or risks that may not be immediately apparent from data alone. Human traders can adapt to changing market conditions and adjust their trading strategies in real time based on new information or unexpected events. Human judgment is important in managing risks and making informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades. Human creativity can identify new investment opportunities or develop innovative trading strategies that AI systems may not be able to replicate. Human traders can provide a personal touch that AI systems may not be able to match, especially in areas such as wealth management. Combining the strengths of both AI and human traders can lead to more effective trading strategies and better outcomes for clients. Human traders offer advantages that AI systems cannot replicate, including emotional intelligence, nuanced decision-making, adaptability to changing market conditions, and a personal touch that clients may value. These strengths make human traders an important part of the trading industry, and combining them with the benefits of AI can lead to more effective trading strategies and better outcomes for clients. Human traders and AI systems can work together in the trading industry to maximize their effectiveness. They can complement each other through strategy development, data analysis, risk management, and testing and refinement. By combining human expertise with AI algorithms, firms can develop more effective trading strategies, mitigate risks, and improve their AI trading systems. AI trading's benefits, including speed, accuracy, and data analysis, have been discussed, as have AI trading strategies that have outperformed human traders. However, ethical concerns and risks should be considered. Emotional intelligence and nuanced decision-making skills are critical, and human traders can work with AI systems to improve effectiveness in the trading industry. The future of trading will likely combine both AI and human traders, with successful firms combining their strengths to achieve better results for clients. We will leave links in the description, if you are interested in taking a look at some of the bots available for trading. We will also be going into more depth of the different bots available in future videos, so keep an eye out. We hope you found this video on the future of trading informative and thought-provoking. We encourage you to share your thoughts and opinions on the topic in the comments section below. Do you think AI trading systems will eventually replace human traders? Or do you believe that human traders will always have a role to play in the trading industry? We value your input and look forward to hearing your perspectives on this important topic. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can tune in for our next video.